In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to check your Amazon refund balance. This is incredibly useful if you've returned an item and want to make sure your refund has been processed. Sometimes refunds are credited as an Amazon gift card, which makes it even more essential to know where to find this information. So let's dive right into it. First, open your web browser and go to amazon.com. Once you're on the homepage, you'll want to sign into your account. Simply look for the sign in button, which is typically located at the upper right corner of the page. Click on it and you'll be prompted to enter your email address. Once you've done that, hit the continue button. Now that you've entered your email, the next step is to type in your password. After you've entered your password, click on sign in to access your Amazon account. Successfully signing in is crucial because this is where you'll find all the details related to your orders, including any refunds. With your account ready to go, next you should hover your mouse over the section that says Account and Lists. This area contains all kinds of information related to your activities on Amazon. From there, a drop-down menu will appear with various options. Find the one labelled Orders and click on it. Alternatively, there's also a direct link called Returns and Orders you might see on the homepage. Clicking this will take you to the same place. Once you're in the Orders section, you're going to want to look for the specific order which you have returned. Next to that order, you'll find an option to View Return Refund Status or View Order Details. Selecting this will provide you with detailed information about the status of your refund. This is where you can check if the refund has been processed, if it's still pending, or if there's any additional tracking information. If your refund was issued as an Amazon gift card, there's one more step you need to take. Go back to the Your Account section. Here you will find an option for gift cards. Clicking on that will reveal your current Amazon gift card balance, including any refunds that have been credited this way. This process ensures you're fully informed about the status of your refunds, whether they come directly back to your payment method or in the form of a gift card. Always a handy thing to know, especially if you shop frequently on Amazon. And there you have it. Following these steps will help you confidently check the status of your refunds without a hitch. Thanks for watching, and if you found this video helpful, please be sure to like and subscribe for more tips and guides just like this one.